Listen up, you lot. Today we're about to embark on a mouth-watering journey that will take us deep into the heart of one of the most beloved culinary creations known to humankind. We're diving into the delectable world of sausages. These versatile delights have been a staple in diets across the globe for centuries, and for good reason. From sizzling breakfast links that greet us in the morning to savory gourmet creations that grace our dinner tables, these meaty marvels hold a special place on tables around the globe. They come in all shapes, sizes and flavors, each with its own unique story and tradition. Whether you're a fan of spicy chorizo that packs a punch or the classic bratwurst that pairs perfectly with mustard, there's a sausage out there to tantalize every taste bud. The variety is truly astounding, and each type offers a different experience. But have you ever stopped to wonder about the journey from farm to fork? How do these delicious sausages make their way from the fields and farms to our plates? It's a fascinating process that combines tradition, craftsmanship, and modern technology. Get ready to unlock the secrets behind how millions of sausages are made in a factory. From the selection of the finest cuts of meat to the precise blending of spices, every step is crucial in creating the perfect sausage. Sausages have been a culinary staple for centuries, with roots dating back to ancient civilizations. The methods and recipes have evolved over time, but the essence remains the same, transforming simple ingredients into something extraordinary. These culinary chameleons take on a myriad of forms and flavors, reflecting regional tastes and traditions. In ancient times, sausages were a way to preserve meat and make use of every part of the animal. Today, they are a testament to culinary innovation and cultural heritage. Join me as we embark on a sausage-making adventure, exploring the intricate processes and meticulous craftsmanship that transform humble ingredients into mouth-watering masterpieces. We'll travel the world, discovering how different cultures have put their own spin on this beloved food. From the bustling factories where mass production meets culinary precision to the home kitchens where sausage making is a labor of love, we'll uncover the artistry and science behind this beloved food. Each sausage tells a story, and we're here to listen. We'll delve into the bustling sausage factories where workers meticulously follow time-honored recipes, ensuring consistency and quality in every bite. And we'll visit home chefs who pour their heart and soul into every handmade link, preserving family traditions and creating new ones. Get ready to don your aprons and sharpen your knives as we demystify the art of sausage making, one delicious step at a time. From grinding the meat to stuffing the casings, we'll guide you through each stage, revealing tips and tricks along the way. So, are you ready to explore the fascinating world of sausage production? Whether you're a seasoned chef or a curious foodie, there's something here for everyone. We'll meet passionate artisans and innovative producers who are pushing the boundaries of what a sausage can be. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare your palates, because this culinary journey is about to get juicy. From the first bite to the last, you'll gain a newfound appreciation for the humble sausage and the incredible journey it takes to reach your plate. Let's dive in and savor every moment. First things first, you need the star of the show, the meat. Without high-quality meat, you can't expect to create a high-quality sausage. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built. We're talking beef, pork, chicken, turkey, or a combination, whatever your recipe calls for. Each type of meat brings its own unique flavor and texture to the table, allowing for endless possibilities in sausage making. Quality is key here, no compromises. The meat must be fresh and of the highest grade to ensure the best possible end product. This is why every piece is meticulously inspected. The meat is delivered fresh to the factory, carefully inspected to ensure it meets the highest standards. Workers check for color, texture, and any signs of spoilage. Only the best cuts make it through this rigorous process. Next up, the meat takes a trip to the grinder. This is where the transformation begins. This powerful machine transforms those chunks into finely ground meat, the foundation of our sausage. The grinding process is crucial as it determines the texture of the final product. The consistency of the grind is crucial. Too coarse and you'll have a chewy sausage. Too fine and it'll be dense and dry. Achieving the perfect grind is an art in itself, requiring precision and expertise. Now for the fun part, adding the flavor. This is where the sausage starts to take on its unique character. This is where the magic happens. The right blend of spices can elevate a simple sausage to something truly extraordinary. Spices, herbs, salt, and other seasonings are carefully measured and added to the ground meat. Each ingredient is chosen for its ability to enhance the flavor and aroma of the sausage. From fiery chili flakes to aromatic fennel seeds, these ingredients are the secret weapons that give each sausage its unique personality. The combination of spices can vary greatly depending on the type of sausage being made. The mixture is then thoroughly combined in a massive mixer. This step is essential to ensure that every bite of sausage is packed with flavor. This ensures that all the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the meat, guaranteeing consistent flavor in every single sausage. The mixing process also helps to bind the meat together, creating a cohesive mixture. The mixing process also helps to develop the sausage's texture, creating that satisfying bite. The right texture is crucial for the overall eating experience, making the sausage enjoyable to chew and savor. Once the meat and spices are perfectly blended, it's time to prepare the casings. These casings are what give the sausage its shape and help to hold everything together during cooking. The meat mixture is carefully stuffed into the casings, ensuring there are no air pockets. This step requires skill and precision to make sure the sausages are uniform and well packed. Finally, the sausages are linked and ready for the next stage of their journey. Whether they are smoked, dried, or cooked fresh, each sausage is a testament to the art and science of sausage making. Cooking the sausages brings out their full flavor and aroma, making them irresistible. The heat helps to meld the spices and meat together, creating a delicious and satisfying final product. Once cooked, the sausages are packaged and ready to be enjoyed. Each bite is a culmination of careful selection, precise grinding, expert seasoning, and meticulous mixing. This is the perfect blend, the ultimate sausage experience. Now that we've got our flavorful meat mixture ready, it's time to give it its signature shape. This is where the casings come in. Traditionally made from natural animal intestines, casings are now available in a variety of materials, including collagen and cellulose. The casings are loaded onto a sausage stuffer, a machine that resembles a giant cork gun. The meat mixture is then fed into the stuffer, which pushes it into the casings, forming long sausage links. The stuffer also twists the casings at regular intervals, creating individual sausages. The size and shape of the sausages can vary depending on the type of sausage being made. From thin breakfast links to plump Italian sausages, the possibilities are endless. The casings not only give the sausage its shape, but also play a crucial role in its texture and flavor. Once the sausages are stuffed, they're often hung on racks to dry slightly. This helps to develop the flavor and texture of the casing. Some sausages, like salami, undergo a longer drying and fermentation process, which imparts their characteristic tangy flavor. Now that our sausages are formed and ready to go, it's time for the final transformation cooking. This is where the magic happens, turning raw ingredients into a delicious, ready-to-eat product. There are several methods for cooking sausages, each imparting its own unique flavor and texture. The choice of cooking method can significantly influence the final taste and mouthfeel of the sausage. One common method is poaching. This gentle cooking technique is often used to ensure the sausages remain juicy and tender. Poaching involves gently simmering the sausages in water or broth until they're cooked through. This method is particularly popular for sausages that will be used in other dishes, as it keeps them moist and flavorful. This method results in a moist and tender sausage, perfect for slicing and adding to stews and casseroles. The gentle cooking process ensures that the sausages do not dry out, making them ideal for dishes that require further cooking. Another popular method is grilling. This technique is favored for its ability to impart a rich, smoky flavor to the sausages. Grilling gives sausages a delicious, smoky flavor and those irresistible grill marks. The high heat of the grill caramelizes the sugars in the sausage, creating a complex and savory taste. The high heat sears the casing, creating a satisfying snap when you bite into it. This crispy exterior contrasts beautifully with the juicy interior, making grilled sausages a favorite at barbecues and cookouts. Sausages can also be pan-fried, baked, or even smoked. Each of these methods brings out different aspects of the sausage's flavor and texture. The cooking time will vary depending on the size and thickness of the sausages. Thicker sausages will require more time to cook through, while thinner ones will be ready more quickly. It's essential to cook sausages thoroughly to ensure they're safe to eat. Undercooked sausages can pose health risks, so it's important to make sure they reach the proper internal temperature. A meat thermometer is a handy tool for checking the internal temperature. For most sausages, an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius, is recommended to ensure they are fully cooked. Once cooked, sausages can be enjoyed in countless ways. Their versatility makes them a staple in many cuisines around the world. Serve them on a bun with your favorite toppings such as mustard, ketchup, onions, and relish for a classic hot dog experience. Slice them up in a pasta dish, adding a burst of flavor to your favorite recipes. Sausages pair wonderfully with a variety of pasta sauces, from creamy Alfredo to tangy marinara, or add them to a hearty breakfast. Sausages are a perfect complement to eggs, hash browns, and toast, making for a satisfying start to the day. Sausages are also a key ingredient in many international dishes. From Spanish paella to German bratwurst, they bring a unique flavor to each cuisine. Whether enjoyed at a family gathering, a picnic, or a casual dinner at home, sausages are a versatile and beloved food. Their rich flavors and satisfying textures make them a favorite for many. With so many types of sausages available, from spicy chorizo to mild breakfast links, there's a sausage for every palate. Experiment with different cooking methods and recipes to discover your favorites. No matter how you choose to cook and enjoy them, sausages are a delicious and versatile addition to any meal. So fire up the grill, heat up the skillet, or simmer that pot and savor the journey from raw to ready.